Hi, my name is Brian from the iBuildStore. Today we're just doing a quick tutorial on how to order your customized stainless steel post for cables. So in shop, we're just going to stainless steel post for cables. We have two finish options, which is mirrored and brushed, for you to choose from. And two post shapes, which is round 38mm or square 40mm. Today we will design a round post for you. With a post top. So again, we've got three, which is flat for a flat handrail, 38mm round handrail, or a 50mm round handrail. So today we'll do a flat handrail on top of a round post as our tutorial. The types of posts, we've got one end, so imagine this is a balustrading. It's going from one direction, and then the other post from the other side holds from this direction. And then of course we've got intermediate posts to prevent the cable being pulled apart as per Australian regulations. I wouldn't go any greater than 1200 before you have an intermediate post. And we have an intermediate corner post as well for 3mm if you're having a change of direction in the post. And I'll show you how to do that at the end of this tutorial. So post length is at 980, again set up for National Construction Code. If your post is sitting on a 100mm hob, for example, you might want to reduce the height of your post, which is possible, and you also can take out or add as many cables as you wish in your post. Your top offset is when you're adjusting either from 80mm up or 80mm down. So if you make that 20, it'll go up 20mm, and then of course going up 20mm at the bottom as well, and or down 20mm at the bottom. Again, you'll see that the cables are spreading themselves out equally throughout the post or between the top and the bottom cable. Turn angle, so if you are doing a post which is 90 degrees on the edge or corner of your balcony, then you can simply create a 90-degree post and we will drill the holes for you 90 degrees, ready for fixing. We can also do climb angles if you're building the post for a staircase internally or externally, I guess. You could simply just throw in the staircase climb angle, and we will cut and pin the top for you, and we'll also adjust the holes in the cable so it runs through nicely. Your base angle, if you're not sticking it directly to a tread and you've got like a capping or something on the angle, then you're welcome to change the base angle to as well, and then that will cut and refit this bottom base for the fit to the top of the capping. If you have any questions regarding the stainless steel post, give us a call on 1300 223 456 or email me directly, sales@ibuildstore.com.au.